This is the elevator at the Sidney and Louise Eskenazi Art Museum, Indiana University, Bloomington, Indiana. Got another monitor installed. This is a nice place. Whoa, very modern cab. Let's go to 3. Here we go. Whoa, that motor is insane. Except the fan is going over it. Oh, this is a nice atrium. This is nice. Very nice cab. Except, again, not monitor TR again. Hey, at least the cab is really nice though. 3,500 pound capacity. You are down at 1. You're at 3. That motor is insane. I mean, for having monitor TR, this is still a nice install though. Alright, here we're back at 1. I think there's another elevator here, so I might film it. There it goes. That'll be it.